Reading a book. Every evening, I love to spend some time reading a book before bed. Reading is a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. I enjoy reading all kinds of books, mysteries, adventure stories, and sometimes even non-fiction books about animals or space. My favorite part is when I get lost in the world of the story and forget everything around me. Sometimes I read books with pictures, and sometimes I read books with just words. I always find new things to learn in the stories. It's like traveling to different places without leaving my room. Reading helps me improve my vocabulary and makes me smarter. It's fun to discover new characters and learn about their lives. It also sparks my imagination and makes me think about things in a different way. At night, I like to snuggle up with my blanket and read for about 30 minutes. It's a nice, quiet way to end my day. Sometimes, I read aloud to practice my pronunciation, and other times, I just read silently in my head. I also love going to the library to find new books. There are so many choices, and I can pick whatever book interests me. After reading, I feel relaxed and ready to sleep. I think reading is one of the best habits because it's fun and educational. It helps me learn about different cultures, history, and ideas. I want to keep reading every day because it makes me smarter and more creative.